New upcoming mobile Nokia N73 Pro 2024. Hi friends, welcome back to this videos. In this videos, we are going to share a new upcoming smartphone of Nokia brand whose name is Nokia N73 Pro. Those who use mobile phone in life that person must know that Nokia is the most popular and favorite mobile company in the world, and also know that Nokia is a Finland multinational telecommunications, information technology and consumer electronics company founded in 18th centuries. Every year, the Nokia company provides many big flagship mobiles, middle class phones, and low budget, high performance phones. So, customers are waiting for the new smartphones of the Nokia brand. That's why we are talking about a new upcoming smartphone of the Nokia brand, which is called Nokia N73 Pro. So let's get started. First of all, we have to discuss Nokia N73 Pro 2024 release date. After knowing the viral news of Nokia flagship smartphone, every person who loves the Nokia mobile, they are searching for the exact release date of the Nokia N73 Pro. But we are sorry to inform you that there is no official release date available for this smartphone. The exact release date of the Nokia N73 Pro 2024 is 25 November 2024, or it may be late to release for features, update or company issues. Now we have to discuss Nokia N73 Pro 2024 full specifications. First, we are talking about displays. The Nokia upcoming smartphone N73 Pro 2024 comes with a 7.1 inches Super AMOLED full touchscreen displays, which is protected by cornering Gorilla Glass 7. Good news for the Nokia N73 Pro 2024 mobile lovers. This mobile uses display resolutions of 1440 multiply 3200 pixels. In the display sections, this mobile also used always on display, which is very helpful for an active users. After briefly describe the display, we are now going to share another very important part of this special phone whose name is camera. On the camera sections, Nokia added a quad 108 megapixels primary lens, 32 megapixels ultra wide lens, 6 megapixels wide sensors, 5 megapixels depth sensors as a back camera. For selfie, it has a dual 64 megapixels with 8 megapixels camera. Regular camera features like ZC's optics, LED flash, panorama and HDR added. Now you can easily pick up pictures or selfie by using front cameras. The battery is a very important part of a good smartphones, so the Nokia N73 Pro 2024 used a 7700 mAh polymer type non-removable battery for its long-time services. After charging one time, you don't need a charge for at least 36 hours. The fast battery charging is common special features for a flagship device. So this phone includes 45-watt quick battery charging features. Now when our customers want to buy new smartphones, they are first check the memory capacity of the phone. The memory means RAM, ROM, internal storage and extra micro SD card. The Nokia upcoming phone N73 Pro 2024 comes with 12GB plus 16GB RAM and two variants, 256GB and 512GB ROMs. Customer can easily exacerbate internal storage by using a micro SD card up to 1 TB. In the operating system section, this smartphone added Android 14. The powerful Qualcomm's Snapdragon's 8 Gen 3 mobile platforms make this smartphone very fast. The Nokia smartphone used GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO LTE 5G as the technology, as in network technology. The sensor is the important part of a good smartphone. So Nokia upcoming mobile use the latest sensors technology and their name is fingerprint under the display. Accelerometers, gyro, proximity, compass and barometers. Nokia N73 Pro 2024 price. The official Nokia N73 Pro 2024 price is not available for these upcoming smartphones. In this videos, you will find the Nokia N73 Pro 2024 price in US, UK, Australia, UAE, KSA, Singapore, and Malaysia, Russia, and Europe country info. The Nokia N73 Pro 2024 price will starting 620 USDT 515 euro. Thanks for staying with us a long time and visiting the Nokia N73 Pro 2024 price, space, features, design, concept, rumor reviews, pre-orders, buy online release date and news content. If you have any questions about the Nokia upcoming flagship device N73 Pro 2024, just ask me a comment sections. I will respond to you as soon possible. I hope you like the videos. If you like the videos, so please subscribe our YouTube channels and press bell icons. I want to see you in the next videos. Thanks for watching.